Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope that all of you guys are having a great day today. So for today's video, I am going to be doing an ultimate clean with me. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I clean my entire apartment. And if you watch my cleaning videos, you already know that I always like to start out in my bedroom by making my bed, because I honestly feel like when I make my bed first and I see it all nice and done, it honestly does motivate me to just clean the rest of my apartment. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm making my bed, and if you do want to see exactly how I make my bed and where everything on my bed is from, I will be linking that video down below in the description box for you guys, or I will also put a card up on top of this video so you can also look at that. But yeah, if you're interested in finding out where everything on my bed is from, just look for that video, and let's just continue making the bed.
To turn into day, but if you're in this straight, and if you're willing to wait, you're gonna get there. Wait and see. If you can take some rain, you'll get twice the sun, my friend. You're gonna get there.
Now that I'm all done with my bed, I can go ahead and finish the rest of my room. So I'm going to start out by putting away stuff that's on top of the furniture that doesn't actually belong there, and then I will go and start wiping down the furniture as well as everything that's actually on top of the furniture.
They always catch up. Learn to face whatever demons come your way. Don't become a stranger to hard labor. There's no other way. Hear me when I say.
I always have to wipe down this mirrored furniture with some Windex every single time I clean my bedroom, because this little corner, I don't know why, but it just gets so dusty. So I do always wipe down this furniture with some Windex. And if you like this piece of furniture, or if you like any piece of furniture in my bedroom, I will have it linked down below in the description box. I actually have a lot of stuff linked down below in my description box, so definitely check that out, and you'll probably be able to see something that you are interested in.
And see, you'll get there eventually.
Lately, while I am cleaning, I like to light up my Bath and Body Works candles, which is so weird because before I always would wait till after I was done cleaning, but I've actually come to notice that if I light it up after I clean, I honestly only get to enjoy the candle for like an hour, maybe an hour and a half, because I do clean in the afternoons, like after I get out of work and I get home. That's usually when I clean, and then by the time I'm done cleaning, it's already nighttime, so I honestly only get to enjoy the candle for like an hour, max hour and a half. So lately I've actually been turning it on as I'm cleaning, and I have been enjoying it so much. So now I am inside the kitchen. I was putting away some dishes that I had on the drying rack so that I can clear that up, because as you can see, I'm doing dishes and just filling it all back up again with the dishes that I'm cleaning.
Twice the sun, my friend. You're gonna get there. Wait and see. You'll get there eventually.
Time to clean my sink now, and I don't know about you guys, but I love cleaning my sink. I know that there's a lot of people that love vacuuming and seeing those vacuum lines, which, do not get me wrong, I love vacuuming. That also gives me a lot of satisfaction when I vacuum and I see that the rug is all nice and clean. But guys, I also love cleaning my sink. I don't know if it's because it looks all nice and shiny once I'm done cleaning it, but I love cleaning my sink. And I was just showing you this little wooden brush that I use it only to clean my sink, and it is from Grove Collaborative, but it is so cute. You'll see it on my countertop once I start actually cleaning my countertop, but you'll see how cute it is. It's like on top of a little white plate, and I have a little flower on the little white plate, and then I have that little brush on there. And I feel like for a cleaning product, it's actually something that's super cute that you can still keep on top of your counter and doesn't look like super tacky or anything like that. So I do keep it on top of my counter, and whenever I want to clean my sink, I just grab it and start cleaning my sink. To wipe down all of my cabinets and drawers in the kitchen, I'm just using a damp towel. I'm also going to go ahead and clean my microwave, and you'll see that I just spray it down, and I'm using the Method All-Purpose Cleaner. And I also take out the little glass plate that's inside the microwave, and I just go ahead and I clean it inside the sink. Time to wipe down my countertops, and I'm just using the Method All-Purpose Spray. I use this all the time. You guys see me use it in all of my cleaning videos. So I love using that product, and I'm also obsessed with the Mrs. Meyer's spray. I can't remember exactly what it's called, but I'm obsessed with her cleaning sprays. So hands down, those are my two favorite cleaning sprays. So when I'm wiping down the countertops, I also like to go ahead and wipe down everything that's on top of the countertops. I feel like if I don't wipe down the stuff that's on top of the countertop, I feel like I still kind of have a dirty kitchen. Like, to me, it doesn't make sense to wipe down the countertops but leave everything on top of it dirty. So I always make sure that I clean everything that's on top of the countertops. And now I am going to go ahead and clean my stove top. I cooked something, I think the day before I did this cleaning video, and it did leave some like little rough spots on top of the stove. So that is why I'm going to clean it a little extra today. But while I'm letting the product that I'm using on the stove kind of like melt, or I don't know, I usually just like to leave products on top of stuff for a little bit. So while I'm letting that kind of marinate, I guess you can say, I'm just going to go ahead and finish wiping down the rest of the countertops. Now that I've had this cleaning product sitting on top of my stovetop for a couple of minutes, I'm going to go ahead and actually clean it. And I'm just using this little sponge that I use specifically only for this, and I go ahead and I rub in really good that cleaning product until I kind of start feeling that the surface on the stovetop is nice and flat and doesn't have any more of that gunky stuff stuck on there. And then I will go ahead and just wipe it down again with a damp towel. And the powder that I use is the Barkeeper's powder, and it is hands down the best cleaning product that I've found for my stovetop. I have used like 2 or 3 different cleaning products for my stovetop, but again, the Barkeeper's powder is just hands down the best one that I've used for my stovetop. So now onto my living room, and as you can tell, I am just wiping down my furniture and everything that is on top of my furniture. And I'm also going to fix my pillows and my little throw blanket and just kind of pick up and clean up my living room a little bit.
It's not that you're timid, no one could say, choosing to walk with the gale. What shall we call us, hobos per se? We'll find that out on the way.
Now on to cleaning the little dining room area, and I'm first going to start out by cleaning Nathan's high chair. And I wanted to tell you guys that I actually bought this high chair just a couple of weeks ago, but guys, I freaking love it. And the best part is that this high chair only costs $25 and it's from Ikea. And the high chair that Nathan was using before cost over $150, and we actually just gave that one to Derek's grandmother so that she can have it in her house, so that whenever Nathan eats over there, she can just feed him on that high chair. But I am just mind blown that this high chair that costs $25 is probably even better than the one that costs $150, because the one that costs $150 was just way too bulky. If food would fall down, it was so difficult to clean it because there was a lot of nooks and crannies, so it was super hard to clean it. And this one is just super simple, lightweight. I like that it's small, it doesn't take up too much space, especially since we live in an apartment and we don't have too much space. I just feel like it's perfect. So if you're looking for a high chair, I 100% recommend this one from Ikea. So I was just talking way too much, so I didn't tell you guys, but I cleaned that little white piece of furniture with the big mirror on top, and that is right next to my living room, pretty much right when you enter my apartment. And now I am going on to the boys' room, and I'm just wiping down all of the furniture in their room, including their cribs.
And see where it goes. So let's just do my love, and I'll stop thinking of this over. Let's just do my love and see where this road will take us.
Now I'm going to go ahead and start sweeping the floor, and it honestly depends. Sometimes I will go ahead and sweep the floor, or sometimes I will use my vacuum. I know that I did tell you guys one time that whenever you see me using my broom, it's because I'm tired and I kind of just want to do it really fast, and I don't want to have to worry about moving the vacuum from one room to the other room. But I honestly feel like I'm kind of just getting used to the broom, because honestly, like the last 3 or 4 cleaning videos that I've posted, I've noticed that I've been using the broom. So I feel like it's kind of becoming a bad habit, so I need to kind of stop using it and start using my vacuum again. I still use my vacuum obviously for my rugs and stuff like that, but I just feel like I've been getting so used to using this broom, so I kind of gotta stop using it. Last but not least, time to mop my floor, and I am just using the O-Cedar mop, and I'm so sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. I always feel like I'm pronouncing it wrong, but I will have it linked down below in the description box for you guys in case you want to check it out and possibly buy it. And I know that I sound like a broken record, but guys, I am in love with this mop. I am so obsessed with it. I got it a couple of months ago and I do not regret a single penny that I spent on it. It just makes mopping so much easier. Like, it literally cuts my mopping time in half. But that is pretty much it for this video. I do have a ton of cleaning videos, so if you guys do want to check them out, I will have a couple of them linked down below for you guys. But I have definitely at least over 15 cleaning videos. But it would mean so much to me if you guys did hit the red subscribe button and the little bell notification. I hope that you did enjoy this video, and hopefully you will come back for all of next week's video. But I hope you enjoyed this one, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.